So now guys, we will going to talk about ad extensions. So there are plenty of them, total of 14 in majority. Okay, so ad extension, first is the ad extension. So it provide additional information alongside the ad space. So if you were just going to see and search for the ad extensions, okay, add extensions in Microsoft extensions. So this is how extensions look like. Okay, so you have various extensions. Let's just go ahead and see about that. Okay, so extensions basically provide more information. So first let me just show you where you can find that. Okay, just go to campaigns. Let me just go to Mac. On which ad group you want, you can do that as well. For example, inside MacBook Pro ad group, you have to go to the ads and extension. In ads, you can just find the ads for that ad group, and here you have to just go to extensions. So from here you can add the extensions. So you can see we have lots of extensions over here, and you can use any one of them. So let's see the location extension. So it showcases the business location clickable for Google Maps direction. And how it looks like, you can just search it on the browser. This is how it looks like. Okay, here you can see it's your ad, and here it will just going to display the direction. So you can just put that. So that is the location, right? Let me just see it over here, and of course for some of them it will not be visible. They will add and remove some of the extensions time to time. Okay, so right now I'm not able to see that location extension because I past time used it, but right now it's not available, by the way. Okay, so no worries, but it's very simple to create any type of extensions. If you just go to, let's say, call extension. Now how call extensions look like, let me show you guys. Okay, so call extension in Microsoft extensions. So this is how it will going to look like. You will going to have this call button. You can see below ad, so people can directly call on your ad, and the number will automatically going to type on their call pad, and from there people can call you. So that is the call extension. Display a mobile phone number for direct calling. Okay, you can just add it. It's super simple. Sorry, not this ad, call extension. Not call out, where it is, man, sometimes it gets too much irritating. Okay, okay, call extension is not visible for here. Let's try with other. So like, as per your campaign, you will going to choose various options will be visible for you. Similarly, let's say we have here call out extension. So now how it looks, so it's basically a text like thing. You can see over here top rating, below your ad it will go something like this. Okay, so you can even add that. For example, if I select, let's say, call out extensions, I can click on create. I can click on add new call out. Call out, what you can do, by dealer. Okay, something like this. You can add more and more. Okay, like best dealers. Similarly, you can just add more and more here. So it will, if you will going to put it over here, so you can see best dealer is added. Same you can say, like let me just let's say top rating, maybe I can add. Click on save. So all that will be added over here, and for some reason, let's say if you don't want best dealer, so you can remove that, but in this way you can add it more and more. So this is call out extensions. So it's very simple, my friends. Okay, there's nothing complex. You can just search for structure snippet extensions. Let's just say here we have this structure snippet extensions. You can just add it more, and how it looks like you can see over here. So you can just tell the categories: styles, men's, women's, kids, something like this. Okay, so it's a basic things. You just provide some extra information inside your ad and nothing else. Okay, so you can just click on the create button. You can click on add structured unit value. You can just put for, let's say uh, you can choose the proper options here. Brand value, you can just write it here like MacBook Air, something like this, and more on. Okay, something like this. You can even add more and more like that. Okay, so that is what it's all about. Let me just take, let's say, click on save. So this is the structure snippet. And now let's talk about the site link extensions. So site links are this type of thing which you guys can see, 1 2 3 4 extra add. Okay, let me also show it from here. Which you guys can see here. So this is what you guys can also add. So that will be in the site link, which is this one over here. Select that, click on create, and you can add. Okay, you will going to get this option, site link. Let's say best MacBook Pro. You can just write description. Okay, best affordable computer. Okay, and let me just put here something. Okay, you can put all these things. Let's click on the save button. Okay, let me just provide the link. That's it. Click on the save button. So you can add this, you can add more. So you have added only one, so one will going to show up in the first place. Similarly, you can add more, 3 as well. For example, sorry, Mac Pro, power in hand, power that you can't imagine, like that. Just put the URL. Okay, click on save button. That's it. You can add 4. Click on save. Awesome. In this way you can add the extensions. So there are plenty of them. It's not possible for me, I guess, to go with all of them. Let me just show you how it looks. Action extensions. So basically you will going to get the button like buy now, learn more, something like this. Okay, so you can even do that. Action extensions, you can select that, click on create button. Let's click on new extensions, choose what action you want, apply, bid, book a car, book a hotel, book now, chat now, compare, contact us, plenty of them. So that's totally up to you. Okay, I love this learn more. Just for an example, final URL. Oops. Awesome, like this. That's it. Similarly, great, learn more. So that's how so more and more extensions you will going to put, more better your ads will going to perform. More people will going to get the opportunity to see what you have in your ad. Okay, so it's very much important that try to add more and more review extensions. How this looks like, let me show you guys. So this is how it looks like, where it shows reviews about people and their review. Okay, so you can just go ahead and select the review extensions. This is over here. I will select that. click on create option, add new review extensions, review text, best Mac I ever purchased, something like this, source Apple. Okay, put the website URL from here. Okay, click on save. Awesome, that's it. Similarly, you can just add more and more. Now if we just talk about more, then we have video extensions, so you can just put the video extensions. That's how it will going to look like in your ad. Here people can play the video beside your ads. You can just go here, select, let's say, video extensions. So let's talk now video extension. Okay, so you can just put the name of the extension, URL. You can upload YouTube URL. For example, I just for a teaching purpose, I can just paste it. Thumbnail, URL, and alt text you can say like best MacBook Pro and all. Provide the display action text like buy now, something like this. Okay, and then just provide the action final URL, which is this one in this case. Awesome, and then just click on the save button, right? So this is the video ad extension. Similarly, we have filter link extensions here. Now how it looks like. So you can see this is how the filter looks like. Okay, it will just going to categorize it in various options. Okay, so you can even go with that one as well if it's available. Here it is. Click on create button, click on add new filter extension, value what you want. First of all, final URL. Oops. Shit, man. Okay, value, let's say anything, maybe for you are selling, let's say, clothes business. So boy, put the URL for the boy category, girl category, and that's how it goes. Okay, so it's very simple to add extensions, price extensions. This is how it looks like. You can see over like this, offer student, something like this. Okay, so let's just go ahead and put the price extensions. Let's click on the create button, add new price extensions. You can even add the extensions. For example, you can say student discount, and you can say the price from or up to, let's say, 50%. Okay, you can just choose your currency from here, price, and that's it. And also provide the final URL for that link, and that's it, guys. There's nothing so much complicated to create the extensions. If we just talk about the promo extensions, you can just put it over here like this. Click on enter button. You can put something like this, Black Friday 50% off, something like this. Okay, in the promo extensions, you can see promotion extensions. Here it is. Select that, click on create, click on add new promotion extensions. Occasion, let's say we have for the Black Friday sale, till which date, let's say till 9th to 20th. Item, let's say MacBook Pro, maybe. Final URL, you can just paste the final URL. over here. That's it. Promotion discount, let's say percentage discount, 50%, or let's say 35% discount. Okay, promotion deals, you can even put the promotion code as well here. Let's say special 35. Okay, but in your store also you should create the coupon code, so that when people will use this coupon code, they can get this discount. Let's click on the save button. Awesome. Okay, so very basic thing. Even we have app extension. So this is how the app extensions will going to look like, that along with your ad you can give someone's the download option. Okay, and for each and everything you can see promoters app download linking directly to App Store or Play Store. For every extensions you can just read the description as well, right? So for example, app extensions, create, you can edit, that's it. Okay, for which app you can select that, package name, let's say Udemy, click test, download the app. If you want it to be profile preference, you can extension. So basically after you can just provide the app URL over here or measurement URL. Okay, so that when someone will click on that, it will get measured. So this is all about this app extension. Last we have image extension. So it displays the image so that it increase the engagement. Okay, because visual things people love a lot. So here you guys can see, let me just show you with one example. For example, here you guys can see this is your ad and here you have one image. So that is what the image extensions are. Select the image extensions, click on create button. You can put the display text, okay, image or text, final URL, and then good to go. Okay, so that is what about this, and this is all about the extensions. Make sure you read all of them. These are the most important. Microsoft may add more, may remove something, some extensions from this list. So just make sure you just test out all of them, and along with your ad you can see this is the ad which you have created right now. Okay, this is the ad which you have created. So along with this ad, these extensions will also going to display. So that's the very best thing. Okay,